This is the Echelon Connect, and it was actually fairly easy to put together, but let me give you some helpful tips so you can put it together a lot easier. Now, of course, when you're assembling anything like this, it's always gonna be easier with two people. I actually started the whole thing by myself. I only needed my husband a couple times in the beginning to help me lift it off the cardboard. It is fairly heavy. At the same time, it was fine to do. I just needed two people, mostly so I could film it. You could do it by yourself. Again, two people will be easier. Now, it's gonna come with these bars that come on there, and at first when you are removing the bolts, it's kind of freaky because you're like, am I moving this bike apart? But no, just remove it as it tells you to remove it. So you're gonna remove the back bar. You're gonna actually remove these metal pieces that come off the bike that were supporting it during shipping, so it's not necessary for it anymore. It's kind of all ready to go. So I removed the back part first, and then you put in the front, wheels. The wheels go in the front, and then you put the other base in the back. So you're gonna remove a big metal piece there. Once you do that, then you're gonna start connecting this top piece. So first you're gonna connect the bike seat, and these are gonna bolt down. You need to have 2 wrenches on either side to get those tightened. Adjust the bike back and forth through the knob here, and you can adjust it up and down with this knob here. Now, once you've done that, you're gonna move to this piece. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna notice that there's a twisty tie in there. So once you see that twisty tie, don't untie it. It says not to untie it. Plug it in first. So this is where a second person would be very handy, because you want them to kind of hold this piece up while you're plugging that in, and then you're gonna untie the twisty ties to drop it down into this piece right here. So once that's done, you're gonna attach the handlebars. You're gonna attach this piece under here. We also have a back piece back here. I'm seeing something, maybe? No, maybe we didn't have that piece. Cool. So once you've done that, this is where I was like, okay, so you're gonna plug the cord into the back end of it. Then you've got a cord that hangs down once you've connected this monitor, a cord that hangs down, and you're gonna plug this cord into the monitor. So once you're done plugging this guy in, it takes a minute for the monitor to warm up. You can turn it on and off through the back, and then you get ready and you connect your app. So that is how you put together the Echelon bike. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. I really do appreciate it. I'm excited about my partnership with them. They are a fantastic company, and I cannot wait to get to riding.